Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to this vlog. Today we're gonna do a bike check. Before I start showing you clips of how I ride, I don't want to get this question of what bike you ride, what frame. Don't want to get it. So I'm gonna do a bike check now. So whenever that question comes up, I'm just gonna revert you back to this video, me talking about this, the same scenario. So yeah, let's get to it. It's gonna be a short video, probably like 3 minutes long, 3.5. I don't know how long. So, yeah, just let's get to it. All right, hopefully I can hear me better because I turned the mic around. Let's start with the frame. I got no shoes though. Start with the frame. It's a Sunday frame, Sunday wave frame. Story behind this frame is that I traded one of my friends for it. I had a Bruno Hoffman Federal frame, a little bit more longer frame. Well, back end was longer, front end was the same. So yeah, I like this frame. It's shorter for me. I like doing snappy tricks, and it's been holding up for the past couple months. Next, got Colt cranks. They're pretty nice, pretty good cranks. I forgot what pedals I got. I got a Bully National Guard sprocket. Pretty good sprocket. Been holding on for the past like year or so. Got a Shadow Conspiracy chain. Simple chain. Got 4 federal pegs with peg sleeve. Only 3 of them, and this one is just a titanium peg. Pretty good steady peg. Pretty good. Next, let's move to the wheels. I got a free coast in the back, and I got a regular one in the front, obviously. This is a complete set of what was that? Oh yeah, Fit Complete. Both of them came together. Been holding up for about 2 years. I'm missing spokes on the back of this one, missing spokes in the front of this one. I need a new set of wheels. So if anybody has a set, let me know. Let's move to the front. Beautiful front. I got a fit fork. Good fit fork. Been holding. I got a Dakota Colt stem. Yeah, I can't see that because this lighting sucks. Dakota Colt stem, Dakota bars, S&M grips. I just got some random, I think it's a fit. Yeah, it's a fit seat and seat post. Actually, backstory, I stripped my original one that I had on this. Sucked. Yeah. This is my frame. My whole bike. To be honest. So want to change a couple little stuff. Like, I want to change pegs. What else I want to change? Also want to change, oh yeah, rims. Both. Because, like I said, I'm missing a lot of spokes. And a lot of spokes sucks. And there's just one golden part right there. So, all color match. And the grips. And I was staring at you. Yeah. That's my bike check of 2022. I'll probably do another one once I upgrade enough parts. I'm probably going to end up doing another bike check once I upgrade more parts on the bike. Oh yeah, the tires are obviously the militia tires. The militia tires. Sorry. So yeah, good tires. My friend gave me those perfect tires. I was running Colt Van Grips tire. These are lighter, which phenomenal for street, park. They're just beautiful. I also have a pinch flat in my back. I keep putting air on my back tire. I haven't rode since we're in Chicago and it's cold and raining and snowing most of the time. So yeah. So stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. And hope you enjoy this. I might insert some clips of me riding this bike before I moved and when I got here. Or I might not. We'll see. Peace out.